warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Morning,
Morning,
guys.
morning.
Good morning.
All right, how are you today, guys?
I'm great.
I'm good, bro.
Very good
How are
there.
you?
I'm
All right.
fine, and
So
you?
I'm good today. Thank you. Well, so welcome back to our class today, guys. Let me open first the PowerPoint. Today we are going to continue our lesson. It's about listening. What is it called? About new concept, and after that we continue to talk about music. Yeah. Okay, so let me open first the PowerPoint for a moment, guys. Listening sections. And this new concept is something that you can see on YouTube, or if audio, it's from YouTube. But if you want to see about the, what is it called? The writing an article, you can get in website Google. I think it's possible. Namanya adalah new concept. Tinggal teman-teman tulis chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, dan seterusnya. Itu ada yang terkenal sampai chapter 30. Tapi ada buku sampai chapter 90 juga. Cuman nggak tahu saya yang sampai 90 itu seperti apa. Itu kayak buku cerita, cuman buku ceritanya itu bagus untuk melatih bahasa Inggris lewat listening dan memahami kata-kata dalam bahasa Inggris secara akademik ya, karena bahasanya itu bahasa formal dan bagus sekali. And today kita akan belajar untuk memahami apa yang disampaikan oleh si pembicara tadi. Okay, of course, you need to answer the questions. Di sini ada sebuah audio dengan judul A Private Conversation. Dan saya pengen teman-teman menjawab pertanyaan nomor 2. And then nomor 5. Okay. Kemudian 6. Sorry. Muncul ini tulisannya. Salangi ya. Nomor 2. Jadinya gini. I repeat. Nah, nomor 2. Nomor 4. Ke-5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes, 3. This one. Udah segini aja. Nah, saya pengen teman-teman menjawab pertanyaan ini dari audio yang saya mainkan. Oke. Nomor 1 jawabannya apa? Nomor 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only answer these questions. Before we go to the sections of next slide, please. Ready, Bro RJ and friends?
Yeah, ready.
Ready, everyone? Sister Sriati, Sister Ocha, Sister Aurin, ready ya? Oke. Saya mute dulu mikrofonnya. And here we go.
Then answer the question. Why did the writer complain to the people behind him?
Let's go.
Last week, I went to the theater. I had a very good seat. The play was very interesting. I did not enjoy it. A young man and a young woman were sitting behind me. They were talking loudly. I got very angry. I could not hear the actors. I turned round. I looked at the man and the woman angrily. They did not pay any attention. In the end, I could not bear it. I turned round again. I can't hear a word, I said angrily. It's none of your business. The young man said rudely. This is a private conversation.
I give the second chance, everyone.
Theater. I had a very... Last week, I went to the theater. I had a very good seat. The play was very interesting. I did not enjoy it. A young man and a young woman were sitting behind me. They were talking loudly. I got very angry. I could not hear the actors. I turned round. I looked at the man and the woman angrily. They did not pay any attention. In the end, I could not bear it. I turned round again. I can't hear a word, I said angrily. It's none of your business. The young man said rudely. This is a private conversation.
Yes. So this is called short story about private conversations. Okay, let's try that. Number one. What was very interesting, guys, from that audio?
Not enjoy it.
Yeah. What was very interesting? Dapat nggak? What was very interesting? Kalau nggak dapat, who was sitting behind me?
A man and a young lady.
Young lady.
Okay.
Man and the young lady.
Alright. Kalau ini dapat ya. How were they talking?
Very loud.
Private
Loudly.
conversation.
Hmm?
Loudly.
Ada yang jawab loudly, private conversation, ada loud. Loud. Okay. Whom could not you hear? 5.
The actor.
The actor.
Huh?
The
The
actor.
actor. Okay. How did you look at the man and the woman?
Very rude.
Angrily.
Angry? Angrily. Yes. Angrily. Ya, angrily. Nah,
Wow.
jadi kebiasaan mendengarkan harus dilatih kembali, teman-teman. Nah, ini bisa teman-teman dapatkan di YouTube ada, tinggal klik aja New Concept Chapter 1, nanti akan muncul. Ini bagus ceritanya, listeningnya juga easy listening ya. Tadi easy listening dan mudah untuk difahami. Tinggal nanti biasanya di New Concept itu selalu ada pertanyaan di awal sebelum audio dilepaskan. Sebelum audio di setel. Seperti itu. Nah, sedangkan di bagian sini ini namanya adalah completing the sentence, melengkapi kalimat. Ini sangat mudah ini. Teman-teman hanya fokus terhadap audionya, lalu ditulis lanjutannya. Oke, itu apa yang mereka yang kosong-kosong ini apa isinya? Oke, and let's try. Kita coba untuk menjawabnya teman-teman bersama-sama. Let's get ready. Okay, I mute yourself.
First listen and then answer the question. Why did the writer complain to the people behind him? Last week, I went to the theater. I had a very good seat. The play was very interesting. I did not enjoy it. A young man and a young woman were sitting behind me. They were talking loudly. I got very angry. I could not hear the actors. I turned round. I looked at the man and the woman angrily. They did not pay any attention. In the end, I could not bear it. I turned round again. I can't hear a word, I said angrily. It's none of your business, the young man said rudely. This is a private conversation.
You got it?
Got it.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
I got it.
We got it.
Number one,
I went.
I
When.
I went.
say, I went to the theater. Yes. Number two,
Oh, interesting.
play was very
Interesting.
interesting. A young man and a young woman were sitting behind me. They were talking
Loudly.
Loudly.
loudly. Loudly penulisannya spellingnya harus tepat ya. Oke. I got very angry. I could not hear the
Aktor.
Actress.
Actor.
actors.
Actor.
I turn around itu noleh ya. Okay. I look at the man and the woman angrily. They did not pay
Any.
Any attention.
any
Any
attention.
attention.
Okay. In the end, I could not
Bear.
Or
Bear. I
bear
could
it.
not be.
Okay. I can hear a
Word.
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 I can't hear a word itu kayak semacam shh,
Kata-kata.
nah gitu. Okay.
Oh.
Jadi diam shh, nah gitu. I can't hear a word. And the last, this is
Private.
private conversations. Nah, kalau kata I could not bear it, nomor 6 ya. I could not bear it. Itu
Saya tidak tahan.
saya tidak tahan, betul. Could not bear it itu artinya saya tidak tahan. Itu expression. Oke, expression. Karena bear itu kalau diartikan sebagai kata benda maknanya beruang. Kalau diartikan sebagai kata kerja maknanya melahirkan. Oke, melahirkan. Tapi I could not bear itu kesatuan. Jadi dia maknanya adalah saya tidak tahan. Banyak yang bisa kita dapatkan di new concept itu teman-teman. Dan ini saya pertama kali mempelajari new concept juga sama. Ketika belajar bahasa Inggris, saya menghafalkan awal-awal. Tapi lama-lama sudah tidak lagi. Cukup membaca terus disampaikan kembali. Melatih. It's good for children too to learn English with that. Ya. New concept nanti kali cari. Nah itu namanya adalah complete the sentence. Bisa digunakan untuk melatih listening dan writing teman-teman. Ya, spelling. Karena kelemahan kita yang sering speaking itu biasanya spelling, menulis. Oke, tulisannya kata-katanya mungkin ada yang kurang. Okay, let's go. Today we are going to study about music and let's do learning how we could improve our vocabulary from listening to music. You know, guys, some our friends, they like English from music. They study English from music. And maybe you too, you feel it, you did it, then it's the best time to practice. You know, every way to learn English is good. Just it suits with you or not. Then today we start from this, talk about music for a moment. Okay, so like listening music and others. And today I would like to play a music. In this case, I want you to give your opinion. You know that every song, okay, its lyric tells something. Liriknya itu menceritakan sesuatu. Dan menurut teman-teman, lagu itu, your point of view, pandangan teman-teman, opini teman-teman, lagu itu menceritakan tentang apa? Yes, okay. And let's go. We play together about the music. And then after that, check the conclusion of it. Yeah, I will mute yourself. Okay, mute your microphone. And then after that, let's sing and listen together about the song. Here we go, guys.
see the similarities between us. Take a minute and see yourself in the mirror. You look like me, those eyes, lips, you can't deny. Have you thought about why we look the same, why we feel the same? Don't tell me it's by chance. Oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family. Oh, oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, just one big family. It doesn't matter if you live far away from me. You feel, I feel, you bleed, I bleed, you cry and I cry. We sleep and dream. Sometimes we're sad, sometimes we're happy. You breathe, I breathe. We love, walk, talk, and we smile. Have you thought about why we look the same, why we feel the same? Don't tell me it's by chance. Oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family. Oh, oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, just one big family, family. I care about you, and I wish you could realize there's no difference between us two. We're part of one family, no matter how far you are, and even if we don't know each other. Oh, you and me and you, we are one. Oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family. Oh, oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, just one big family. Oh, oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family. Oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, we're one big family. Oh, you're my brother, you're my sister, just one big family. Just one big family.
Thank you so much for listening this music, everyone. Now, let's go to the questions from this music. In your opinion, what does the music tell everyone? And can you explain it?
About family happiness.
Why do you say that?
So because he told to care to each other.
And then, any else?
I think it is about song for Palestine, right?
Why do you say that?
Yes, because he said that you feel, I feel, you bleed, I bleed, you cry, I cry.
Okay,
Wow.
that's your opinion. All right. Others?
I
Mr.
think it's
Fatma?
apa namanya, that actually human being in this world are yeah,
Yes, Mr. Fatma?
different. We are not different. We have we have same eyes, yeah. We have same nose, we have same lips. We do actually live in different places, but actually we are one. Yeah, we are one human being that um we don't supposed to be uh cruel to each other. So why we should fight? Why we should um create anything that will cause something that is bad, yeah, for our unity gitu. I think that's the message behind this song.
Okay, thank you. Any else? Yang lain? Mr. Tias, Bro Hayat, maybe would you like to say something?
I
About-
think these songs tell about brotherhood without look a different everyone. And we are a big family about brotherhood, and we thought look about different.
Okay, it's a family brotherhood. And there are others, Sister Ika, would you like to say something? Or Sister Sriati?
Yeah.
Terus di depan Mama.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, please.
First, when I'm listening the music, just like listening the one of a children song. The title is Pagiku Cerah, Matahari Bersinar, like this. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, that's what is it? Yeah, that's the song that you mentioned is one of the best instrument that I ever listened from Indonesian song.
Really?
Yeah, it's amazing. Well, let's go. Come back to the song from Maher Zain, One Big Family. Yes, okay. Okay, Yes. So what you mentioned from Bro Arjaya until Sister Fatma, Sister Dewi, yeah, that's true. So it's talk about family, it's talk about brotherhood, it's talk about the unity and everything. So the song talks about no matter how far you are, okay, let's say it's similarities between us, yeah, okay, means like we are one, we are family because we are human being. We care each other, we cry when somebody's cry, we bleed when somebody's bleeds. So that's why we are one big family. And it's talk, in my opinion about this song, when it refers to us, it talks about the beauty in diversity. Keindahan di dalam keberagaman. I don't care where you from,
Wow.
where you are from. Okay, I don't care who you are. I don't care what language you speak, what food you eat, where do you stay. Means when we study together in this club, in this Zoom meeting, means we are family. We have to care each other by reminding and let's say inviting to improve our English together. Okay, that's the unity in diversity. Everything is
well.
connected. Yeah. Okay. And you know, every song usually tells about something. Do you know one of the famous song from Coldplay, Viva La Vida? Maybe Bro Arjaya knows. Yeah. Yeah. Do you know the story behind of that song?
No.
Anybody? Sister Fatma? Or you just enjoy the music?
Yeah, I just enjoy the music. I don't know the
Just
name.
enjoy the music, yeah, mostly. Okay. This song tells about Revolutionary of France. Revolusi Prancis.
Wow.
Okay. It's amazing. You could hear the lyric, you could listen the lyric, yeah, watch and read the lyric, and after that, find the news about that, beritanya atau apa, Revolutionary Prancis. Okay. Seorang raja yang menjadi rakyat jelata. Karena turun
Oh,
tahta. Okay.
I will
So
try.
it's amazing. One of the best song. But guys, in your opinion, let me ask your opinion as well. In your opinion, what is the best song that you know in this world? One of the best song. There are a lot of things, yeah.
Mm.
Malaysian song.
What's the title?
Mm, I like just like apa ya? Percintaan gitu.
It's about love.
Kayak Isabella,
Oh,
Mm.
that's legend, yeah.
Rindiani,
I don't remember what that's the
Yara,
list, the title.
the title.
Where is the law? You remember that?
Legend, Mom Sriati, yeah. Okay, that's my
Yeah,
mom still like it.
I like slow rock
Slow
Malay.
rock, Malay.
Yeah.
And let's say, guys, the unique song and it's the best, considered to be the best song, one of the best song. Anybody knows?
Michael Jackson.
Oh yeah, Michael Jackson is honest is about this one.
Oh,
I
Singer.
forget the one of the song is There Are People
You are
Dying.
the
yeah.
one.
I don't remember
Yes,
the
yeah.
title.
I forget. Okay, what is the game?
Heal the world.
Heal the Words.
Yes,
Okay,
right.
Heal the Words. Yeah,
Kill the
that's amazing. Okay, I was crying when I was listening that song when it was pandemic Corona.
Yeah.
My students performed that song. Heal the World. Okay. Because some news thought that coronavirus, okay, one of the step forward to eliminate the population. So they thought. What about this one, guys? Bohemian Rhapsody. Anybody knows?
Yeah.
Yes, I
Okay. Yeah, if you never listen, yeah, let's try it. Okay, it's one of the best song because in that song, not only one genre. Okay, there are several like rocks, solo, and orchestra and anything. There are four, if not mistaken, in that song. Yeah, and from music that we listened last time, there are some vocabularies that you can get everyone, such as wonder. Wonder means mengira atau bertanya-tanya. I wonder. Atau kalau dikasih kata no, no wonder. No wonder means pantesan. Like, oh, no wonder. Oh, no wonder you know about Bali well, Bro Arjaya, because you are from Bali. Ya, pantesan kamu tahu tentang Bali. Nah, contohnya. No wonder. There are similarities and others. Itu ada it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter itu maknanya seperti kayak no problems, no matter.
Gak penting.
You say kalau idiomsnya itu no biggie, no biggie, no biggie. That's okay, no biggie. Ada bleed, bleed itu berdarah. Kalau darah kata benda, it's blood. Jadi kalau kita tergores terus ngeluarin darah, oh I'm bleeding. Kalau buat perempuan, I am bleeding means saya pendarahan. Okay. Pendarahan itu bleeding. Pendarahan itu tidak harus keluar karena keguguran ya. Kayak teman-teman keluar darah, kegores itu juga termasuk bleeding. It's bleeding. Keluar darah maksudnya. Breathe, bernafas. Okay, realize, no matter, and others. Okay. So there are some vocabularies. Let's sing together about your favorite song, everyone. Okay, and let's talk about the lyric behind it. Let's find the vocabularies and talk everything about that. And in Indonesia, a lot of, you may talk about Indonesian songs, okay, but say it in English. I mean, what does the song tell? If you like Malaysian song, what does the music tell? If you talk about Isabella, what does the song tell? What does the lyric tell? Yeah. Okay, so what is it called? We can discuss together about that. Kalau di Indonesia itu sempat ada lagu yang sempat booming terkenal tuh ya. What is it called? Judulnya Tinggal Kenangan. Maybe anybody knows? Gaby. Okay. Yeah, it's very famous ya, if I'm not mistaken. Dan kalau ngelihat lagu itu video dengan lagu itu pasti munculnya berita-berita yang aneh-aneh. Kayak orang kecelakaan dan sebagainya. That was when I was kid, everyone. Okay, let's go. This is, or let's say today is our last meeting to speak in our breakout room while discuss today, guys. And because tomorrow we are going to study about let's say sharing and what is it called? Sharing and grammar, yeah, for tomorrow. So now let's invite your friend to sing, to talk about your favorite song. What song do you listen when you are sad? What song do you listen when you are happy? What song can motivate you? What song can make you sad, and everything? And here we go. Let me invite you and let's talk together, guys. A minute, let me share to WhatsApp group about the question today. Mhm. Alright. 7, um, 6, Sister, sorry, Sister Clara. Yeah, come on, guys. Mhm. 5, mhm. 7. Yeah, come on, Sister Dewi, Sister Clara. Do you need my help, Sister Clara, Sister Lia, Sister Ika? Okay, it's done. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think there is something. Okay. Yeah, I'm coming, guys. Well, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for sharing, for telling us about your favorite music. That was a great. And don't forget, listening music is a good as well to improve our English. Tapi vocabularies-nya harus diingat-ingat, dicari tahu juga. Oke. Vocabulary selalu diupdate biar teman-teman tidak kesulitan untuk berbicara. Dan simple present, simple past, present continuous-nya digunakan sesuai dengan alurnya, jangan kebalik ya, jangan di-mix. Di-mix pun harus pas ya time signalnya. Untuk besok kita materinya tentang preposition. I will give preposition and sharing everyone about English and kampung English. Maybe more I will say again tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining today. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. See you